Understanding Rubric Assessment, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in education, rubric assessment. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious about learning methodologies, understanding this concept will enhance your comprehension of educational evaluations. Let's dive in. A rubric is a tool used by educators to evaluate students' work. It is a scoring guide that outlines the criteria for grading assignments. Rubrics are particularly useful because they make grading more objective, clear, and fair. They consist of a set of criteria and a scoring scale. For example, a rubric for a writing assignment might include criteria like grammar, creativity, and clarity. Every rubric has essential components. Criteria. These are the aspects of the assignment that will be evaluated. For example, in an essay, criteria could include grammar, argument strength, and organization. Levels of performance. These are often described as grades like A, B, C, or descriptors like excellent, good, fair. Descriptors. These are detailed descriptions of what is expected at each level of performance for each criterion. There are mainly two types of rubrics. Analytic rubrics. These break down the assignment into various criteria and assess them separately. This type provides specific feedback on each aspect of the work. Holistic rubrics. In contrast, holistic rubrics assess the work as a whole. This type is often quicker to use but provides less detailed feedback. Rubrics offer numerous benefits. Clarity. They clarify expectations for students, making it easier for them to understand how to succeed. Consistency. They help teachers grade more consistently and fairly. Feedback. Rubrics provide detailed feedback, helping students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Understanding how to read a rubric is crucial. Examine each criterion. Look at what each criterion is asking for. Understand the performance levels. Know what each level, e.g., A, B, C, represents in terms of quality. Use it as a guide. Before submitting work, use the rubric to check if all criteria are met. Rubrics are powerful tools in education, providing clarity, fairness, and valuable feedback. Whether you're a student trying to understand how your work will be graded or a teacher looking to create fair assessments, rubrics play an essential role. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of rubric assessment. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.